We're still solving the problem 234 divided by 13. Now we've already used an area model to calculate the quotient, but we're going to show how could we use a ratio table. I'm going to use my knowledge of, in a ratio table, I'm going to have number of groups on top and the number that is in each group on the bottom. So we're going to start and say if I had one group of 13, I would have 13 items. If I had two groups of 13, I would have 26. We are trying to get the bottom row of our ratio table as close to 234 as we can. I'm going to think about friendly numbers that I can calculate, as if I just kept going up by 1, it's going to take me a long time to get to 234. So I'm going to use the multiplicative relationship between 1 and 10. I know that 10 is 10 times greater than 1. If I multiply 1 times 10, I can do the same thing to the bottom number. So 13 times 10 is 130. Now I'm going to say, okay, well, let me see what happens if I do 20. Because I can just double 10 and get 20. And I could just double 130 and get 260. Well, now I've gone too high. I'm trying to get to 234, but I am at 260. I might recognize that the difference between 260 minus 234 is 26. My ratio table already shows me that two groups of 13 is 26. So I know that I need to subtract two groups of 13 from 20. So 20 minus two groups of 13 is going to give me 18 groups. 18 groups of 13 equals 234. So 234 divided by 13 equals 18.